Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a photo to your notebook on the GoodNotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a notebook from the documents section. Now if you want to add a photo to your notebook, you should tap on this camera icon down below in the middle, and then you can choose whether you would like to add the photo as a new page to the previous page, the next page, or the last page. So now you need to tap on the OK button if you would like to access the camera. So then you can take a photo with your phone, then tap on the button Use Photo. So now, as you can see, the photo has been added into your notes, and it is used or functions. It functions as an individual page. So you can either draw on it by tapping on the pencil button, or you can do whatever you want with this page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.